Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel has once again proven why he's not just the king of dancehall, but also a man with a big heart. So on Friday, the Portmore-born DJ made a generous donation of $1 million to the Waterford Primary School in Portmore, St. Catherine, his alma mater, right? So Kartel attended the Waterford Primary School before moving on to Calabar, and it's clear that he hasn't forgotten his roots. Like Popcorn said, real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah. You understand? So what's even more great about this act of kindness from Vybz Kartel is that Vybz Kartel will always post on social media, but Vybz Kartel will never come forward to publicize things like this. Why? Because Vybz Kartel doesn't need the clout. Remember, Vybz Kartel said he doesn't do it for the clout, right? He doesn't need validation or worship. Kartel has always operated from a place of authenticity, and this donation is no different from that, right? This is just the goodness from the man heart. When people do things like this, enough for you if you come talk about it, you know what I mean, and come praise yourself or take the spotlight. No, for the people who you do it for, for them to come and speak about it and say no, we appreciate this and we show gratitude, and people have to know the goodness that you do. You know what I mean? So for years, Kartel has been uplifting others even while being incarcerated, and Kartel is showing that there's no changes, right? You know what I mean? Him come out and him take the right part, so he's capable of making meaningful contribution to the community and inspiring a change where it matters, you know, by coming back into society. So big up the world boss. And as someone who has been a fan of Vybz Kartel since I was like 9 years old or something like that, you know what I mean, Kartel still continue to dominate and help those around him and influence generations after generations, even in 2025, and we are live. You know what I mean? So again, big up Vybz Kartel for being in a true dancehall icon, both in music and both in action. Oh, me a rhyme, so you know what I mean? So king of dancehall forever.